Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what it feels like to witness pure, unadulterated power at the brink of human achievement? Today, I'm taking you on an awe-inspiring journey to experience a rocket launch like never before, framed against the mesmerizing beauty of a sunset. Alright, picture this. It's late afternoon, and the sky is painted with the most breathtaking shades of orange, pink, and purple. The sun is just about to dip below the horizon, casting a golden glow over everything it touches. There, standing tall and proud on its launch pad, is our rocket. Its metallic surface gleams in the warm light, almost as if it's absorbing the energy from the setting sun, readying itself for the monumental task ahead. Now as we zoom in, you'll notice a countdown timer flashing nearby. The LED lights cut sharply through the dusk, like a beacon signaling the imminent burst of raw power. The anticipation builds, and you can almost feel the collective heartbeat of the spectators on a distant ridge, their silhouettes stark against the glowing sky. Then, the moment arrives. The engines ignite with a thunderous roar, and a violent burst of flame and smoke erupts from beneath the rocket. The sheer force of it sends shockwaves through the ground, distorting the air with visible heat waves. High-speed cameras capture every fiery detail of the vapor trails expanding outward, painting the sky in shades of orange, gray, and black. The rocket begins its ascent, pushing against the very fabric of our atmosphere. As it climbs higher and higher, dynamic lens flares dance across the screen, adding a cinematic touch to this already epic scene. The IMAX film grain only enhances the scale and power of this monumental event. In the distance, the spectators watch in awe, their faces illuminated by the intense light of the rocket's engines. It's a moment where time seems to stand still, where you can feel the collective hope, excitement, and wonder of everyone present. This isn't just a launch, it's a testament to human ingenuity, to our relentless drive to explore the unknown. As the rocket pierces through the final layers of the atmosphere, it leaves behind a trail of dreams and aspirations. The sunset, now a mere backdrop to this incredible journey, reminds us of the endless possibilities that lie beyond our world. So next time you think about the vastness of space, remember this moment. Remember the awe, the excitement, and the sheer power of human achievement captured in the glow of a sunset. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious. Bye.